Hey, Tony here, Johnson RV in Medford, Oregon. This is a 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24 TB. This is a twin bed model, super popular floor plan with split twin beds that can be converted into a king bed. You have a full length awning, all the build quality that you'd expect from leisure travel. This does have the spare tire mount on it already. And I think, I have to double check, but I think it also has the table mounts with the outside table, I think is what these guys are here. It's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3-liter 6-cylinder turbo diesel. All the interior upgrades that you would expect from leisure travel, all the leather upgrades, really nice. Overhead storage. This coach does have solar and a solar controller. Does have a skylight that opens as well. Lots and lots of storage overhead. Here's your TV for your entertainment area. Decent amount of counter space. 2-burner cooktop. Getting your microwaves over here on this side. Your refrigerator and freezer. And then coming back here, you have a split bathroom. You have the shower on this side, good size shower pan with a skylight. And then opposite side, you've got the commode. Good amount of legroom here. Really nice bathroom setup. You have another fantastic fan in there. And then here's your split twin bed setup in here that does convert into a king bed. Really roomy back here, really nice setup. Another TV back here in the bedroom area. Good overhead storage, good closet space. This coach is in fantastic condition for 2020. And again, I'd love to help out any way I can with any questions you have, or anybody else here on the team at Johnson RV. Please let us know how we can help out. Thanks, have a great day.